Charismatic, I easily attract with classics. Grew up on that trap shit. Influenced by the coolest niggas, so I changed my accent. Street talk, interview talk for the bastards. Major corporations had me changing up my status. Eating with my elbows on the tables, fuck them napkins. This ain't my career, this is only temporary. For them days that get scary when you need a proper burial for everything you cherish. I just chiseled my tombstone for my night errors. I bought a new futon for my night terrace. Cause NyQuil only get a nigga so far. On the sofa, wish I wasn't sober. Oh Lord, sweet Mary and Joseph, my adversary is bold to keep a nigga focused cause they know I'm getting closer. Paparazzi shooting extra cameras and they hosters. Poor quality all in my face with a close-up. Noxzema, don't touch Mach 5 peroxide. They know like the dark side. I blend when hard times arrive. Dark night, I tend to gossip about Gotham like all night. Charismatic, I easily attract with classics. Grew up on that trap shit. Charismatic.